You're not lazy, you just started your day with your phone again. You check the time, but don't stop, you keep scrolling without thinking. That screen pulls you in, your brain wants more, quick, easy, pleasure. Short videos, fast hits, non-stop content, your mind never gets a break. Now real work is in front of you, but suddenly you feel tired. You try to focus, but your brain jumps back to the easy option. This is not laziness, this is dopamine controlling your actions. Your brain is trained to avoid effort and chase instant rewards. So you delay everything and escape back into scrolling again. And then comes guilt, you know you're wasting time, but you still continue. But listen, you're not broken, your brain is just overstimulated. You need to reduce these easy distractions step by step. Start small, do the hard things, even when you don't feel like it. It will feel boring, uncomfortable, but that means it's working. You're not lazy, you're addicted, now take your control back.